I'm gonna tell you about planning for your business and becoming skillful in applying various strategies and tactics as a warrior planning for his war. Let's go. Planning for whatever venture and strategically making the right moves is what set apart some of us to become role models in the world. This is where you develop a sound image of where you are heading, get an encyclopedic overview of your business opportunities, forecast a comprehensive approach of dealing with risk, project a reliable order of execution, organize procedures of getting resources and investors, scale the scope of your reach, schedule your time and invest into your market study, and come up with a resolute map of success. Planning for whatever venture and strategically make those right moves is what set apart some of us to become role models in the world. Click on the link in the description right now to continue to the first part of this video, which focuses on those of you who are planning to break a world record. Click on the first link in the description right now to continue this video. Don't miss this out. See you there.